Today I'm going to be showing you how to factory reset your LG K20 from T-Mobile with model number LG TP260, and this tutorial would work with any K20 LG device. So what you need to do is you will need the down button, the power button, to do the reset. So you press the down, you press the power, and as soon as the phone comes on, you release and press again the power key. Keep holding, and it takes you to recovery data reset menu. You press down and you press the power button to confirm it, and again down to yes, and this will erase everything off your phone. And press the power key one more time, and as you see right now it says erasing the device. Now everything's gonna be wiped off the device. Make sure, guys, before you do this, to log off your LG account. If you did not, you will have to re-enter it to bypass the activation screen. This is it, guys. Please like and subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Thank you guys for watching.